Hello, this is my weekly report for the 28th of August. And this week I've mainly been looking at fixing outstanding issues for the 26.6 release and looking at support escalations. So, quite a lot going on here, but a lot of it is small investigations and fixes. Quite a few things closed, which is a mix of things I just mentioned, support, investigations, and fixes, support escalation, investigations and fixes, I should say, and 26.6 fixes. Got a few things in QA that have been less urgent, but I'm sure QA will get around to those when they have time. This work to manage identities for Azure security. I think I've mentioned this for quite a few weeks now. Still haven't got around to properly implementing this as has been other priorities. This is the last 26.6 issue I've been working on. So we've had uh, a lot of issues in terms of getting the numbers right for various combinations of campaigns and publishers and media buyers, publisher users across different views and across emails. But I think we are there now. Um, but I think having actually being a user that's actually a mixture of a media buyer and a publisher user, which wouldn't happen in real life. Or at least I think not. I think all users will either be publishers or media buyers. Maybe there is some case where there'll be a crossover, but um, I understand there won't be. But we've had discrepancies in numbers, but I think we are there now. So there's two types. We have two types of emails, which are a summary of rejected leads. So in this example, this is a media buyer summary where I can see there's 135 rejected leads for these two campaigns. If I go in here, I'll see there's 136, but that is because I am also a publisher. And so we also have publisher emails, which will break down campaigns for the publisher. And in this case, there is an extra one where I don't have campaign. I'm not a media buyer for this campaign, but I am a publisher for this, so it adds an extra one to the total for the kind of union of them, which was a slight discrepancy there. In real usage, we wouldn't see that, as users would be media buyer or publisher. And I can filter by these individual campaigns and see same numbers now, but there's been a lot of issues between various combinations of things getting this all right. So yeah, hopefully we're very close to getting 26.6 live now. Still need to do a second round checklist testing. I should be pretty much ready to do that. So quite a lot of code views this week. I guess not as many as normal. This is my list for this week. Seems about accurate. Bunch of block stuff where I've investigated support escalations and these just need scheduling. The AI BDR one, I was investigating this. I think we've chosen to go a different route. So yeah, a couple of these need scheduling. That probably needs tidying up, closing off, I guess. Looking into another one now. So yeah, I guess next week, making sure the 26.6 stuff is all done, responding to any issues that might come out of second round of checklist testing, looking at more support escalations, hopefully getting back to the managed identity stuff at some point, and also need to start looking at the user stories for what I believe is the next big batch of work we're going to be doing. Yeah, getting those reviewed, checking the estimates. Yeah, making sure we're ready to do the parts of this work we need to do soon. But yeah, that's about it for me this week. So thank you for watching.